Partner with Anthony program is a program to make money online. That's if you know what you're doing or if you don't know what you're doing. Yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. He will teach you step by step how to do what he does. And I'm telling you, he made millions years ago. He's still making millions now. Okay? You want to learn not just from somebody who did it. Yes, you do. But someone who is doing it and always tweaking. I love his integrity, and he's always tweaking. And he shares with you what he's tweaking so that you're going to learn how to do. You're going to learn the tools that you need. Okay? And one of the things that I happen to personally love is he doesn't try to upsell you on everything. Everything's available to you, and there's plenty, but you're partnering with him on all of the things that are part of the PWA, Partner with Anthony program, okay? So that while you're learning, you can be making money. While you're learning how to build your own program that you want to build because you are that good. Uh-huh. While you're learning that, he's teaching you and you're partnering with him and you're making, at this time, right now, it's 50% of the things that are part of the program. And if you do purchase any of the other things that he has, it's if someone gets it through you, it's going to be 50% of that you will make online while you're learning how to do your own thing. And he's going to teach you, he's going to give you the tools so that, like he made millions, you can make millions. And if you just want to make 100 or 1,000, you'll make that too. Partner with Anthony. Click the link below. I forgot one of the most important things. It's only $7 a month. You can do that.